Good morning, class. Today, 22nd of December. So, after PT3, we are again here with our Zoom online class with a beginning of the day. So, today, I hope you all must be safe and healthy at home and you have done your paper very well. Today, we are going to summarize a chapter number 8, that is, a house is not a home. A house is not a home, which is composed by the authoress Zan Gordiosko. Okay, she is the contributing author actually. She is a contributing author and editor of several volumes. Editor of several volumes of the best-selling of different series. She is the co-author of the award-winning book. She is from California. Okay, she is from California. So she has done very good job in the field of literature. So we can say that she is a very good scholastic person. She has written this story, A House is Not a Home, where she wants to present a image of the social or society or community. So let us see what is there in this chapter with a summary one. A house is not a home. The author here says that in his first year at school was not a pleasant one. Okay. उसके स्कूल का पहला साल इतना अच्छा नहीं था. He felt like a freshman. Okay, whenever we enter a school, in a new school, we always feel a freshness. His school was twice bigger than the old one. जिस स्कूल में वो एंटर हुए वो स्कूल पुराने स्कूल से 2 गुना बड़ा था. His old friends had gone to a different high school, so he felt very lonely there. Obviously, when we transfer from one state to another, one place to another, or shift to one school to different other school, we always feel in few days we felt very lonely because we have not made such friends. And we left the old friends also. जब हम किसी नए स्कूल में आते हैं तो हम अपने सारे पुराने दोस्तों को छोड़ के आते हैं और नए फ्रेंड्स बनाने के लिए we need some time, हमें कुछ टाइम की जरूरत पड़ती है. So same thing has happened with the author also. He missed his old teachers at the same time. He visited them. They advised him to take part in school activities to engage himself. तो अपने टीचर्स के पास गया और उसने उनसे बोला कि मैं बहुत अपने आप को lonely feel करता हूँ. Teacher advises him that take part in different activities of your school so that you can be engaged, you can be busy and you forget your loneliness and you don't become a solitary one. Okay. So teachers ने advice दी कि school के activities में different activities beside studying different activities में participate करो तो ताकि तुम्हारा mind थोड़ा change होगा. One Sunday afternoon, the author was sitting at home. Right? He was sitting at home. He was doing homework and it was very cold. Fire went out on the fireplace. आग लगी हुई थी, बत्ती लगी हुई थी. He had his cat nearby. It is that he had a pet animal. उसके पास एक pet animal, cat. His mother stoked the fire. उसकी मदर आग को ठीक कर रहे थे प्रॉपर वे में ताकि आग अच्छी तरह से जले. Suddenly he noticed smoke from the ceiling और उसने अचानक छत में से धुएं को देखा. And it increased and increased और धुआं बढ़ता गया. They came in the front yard. उसके बाद वो भाग के front yard में आए. But the fire had surrounded the place. Fire had surrounded. पूरी तरह से चारों तरफ से आग फैल चुकी थी. It was spreading fastly. His mother ran back into the house. उसकी मदर वापस गई घर की तरफ भागी, फ्रंट यार्ड में आने के बाद वापस वो एंटर हुई। The author ran to the neighbors to call the fire department. Immediately, author का mind strike करा and immediately went to his neighbors and need some help to call the fire brigade. और कहा कि fire brigade को बुला दीजिए। The author's mother then ran out of the house with some important documents. वो अपने साथ जब घर पे गई थी, घर से जब बाहर आई तो अपने साथ वो क्या लेके आए? Important documents लेके आए। She ran back into the house again. Again, she wanted to go back to the house because she wanted to get some pictures and letters of her husband. She wanted that, some pictures and letters of her husband. But the fireman caught him. He scolded him, "What are you doing? तुम क्यों बार-बार अंदर और बाहर जा रही हो? आग की लपटों में तुम भी आ सकती हो." The author told him that his mother was inside. उसकी मदर तो चलेगी किस तरह से बच के उनसे, वो चलेगी because she wants all those letters and pets. But the child, means the author, he was very much worried about his mother. He also wanted to get into the room also. But the fireman immediately caught him and told him, "No need to go there." So the child or the author told that the mother was inside there. The fireman seated him wrapped in a blanket in the car. The fireman protected his mother, saved his mother. Soon another fireman brought the author's mother. He put her in the truck with an oxygen mask. Over her mouth. She was otherwise now all right. When she was now out of danger, right? She had only inhaled a little more smoke. थोड़ा सा ही धुआं, स्मोक जो रहा था वो इनहेल कर पाई, ज्यादा धुआं इनहेल नहीं कर पाई थी। After that, what happened? 5 hours after 5 hours, the fire was finally put out. The firemen were able to control the situation. 5 घंटे तक firemen, fire brigade लगे खूब और फिर उस आग को उन्होंने बुझाया। The house was completely burnt down. Completely burnt. कुछ नहीं बचा। It struck the author that he had not seen his cat, which was at that time sitting beside him. उसने cat की तरफ ध्यान नहीं गया इस हलचल में। Now he was worried about his cat. क्या हुआ होगा cat के साथ? He was thinking about his. He started weeping now. He cried. The fireman did not allow him to go inside the house. They went to the author's grandparents for the night. Author's के grandparents के घर night spent किया. The next day, the author went to school. Next day, he went to school. He was in his old dress with no shoes. He had no books, no homeworks. His backpack was also gone. He felt very sad. He felt if he would not be outcast all his life, he did not want to grow up. He just believed that the time remains stopped there. उसे ऐसा लगा कि समय यहीं रुक जाए, यहीं थम जाए, आगे बढ़े ही नहीं सकते. Like that. He wanted to die. He didn't understand what to do, what not to do, because in front of him nothing was there. Everything was collapsed. Everything was damaged. He didn't understood what he should have to do. क्या करे उसे कुछ समझ नहीं आता, क्योंकि उसके आंखों के सामने सब कुछ खत्म हो चुका था, सारा चीज जलकर राख हो चुकी. But he walked to school. Akshat Oja ऑडियो म्यूट कीजिए। So he just wanted to move to school. The author walked to his house to school. Everything had been destroyed. Only the photo albums, documents, that is there. His heart ached for his cat. He had such a feeling for his pet cat. उसके मन में, उसके दिल में एक बहुत उदासीनता थी इसके प्रति, कैट के प्रति बहुत अफसोस हो रहा था उसे। His mother took him soon from there. They would have to find a place to live now. He would have to buy clothes for school also. Now when everything was collapsed, now they want everything now. जब सब कुछ खत्म हो चुका, अब उन्हें चाहिए कि सब चीज नए सिरे से वापस लाना, और ये बहुत मुश्किल, आसान नहीं। Soon the rubble was being cleared up from the place. Rubble means राख की ढेर। घर बिल्कुल राख हो चुका था, मलबा जैसा, कुछ भी नहीं बचा था, सब खत्म हो चुका। The author would go over there. He kept thinking of his cat. The author would go there. वहां जाके अपनी कैट को ढूंढ रहा था, क्या पता कैट की राख मिल जाए, कुछ उसका अंश मिल जाए। So he was go there and searching about it. He kept thinking how the cat would climb in and fall asleep into his pocket. He just thinking, वो सोचता रहता है कि कैसे बिल्ली उस पर चढ़ जाती थी और उसकी जेब में सो जाती थी। Like this, the cat acted on. उस पर इस तरह से act करती थी। Soon all came to know about author's plight. सभी इस तरह से लोगों को इनकी हालत के बारे में जानकारी मिलने लगी कि क्या कंडीशन, what is the now the condition of author and his mother. And people collected around him to take him to the gymnasium. और सब लोग उसे जिम में ले जाने को चारों तरफ इकट्ठा हो गए। The author was surprised. Soon he knew it. The table inside had a collection of school things. These were notebooks, pencils, clothes, jeans, tops, sweatsuits. The author grew emotional. So how the people's society, community, neighbors help these guys. उन्होंने किस तरह की हेल्प करी? He felt great relief as people came to meet him. बहुत अच्छा लगता था लोग उनसे आके मिलते थे, उन्हें कंसोल करते थे. They felt very relaxations. Emotionally, they become attached to them. They were those who had not visited him earlier. A surprising thing. जो कभी उनसे मिले नहीं थे, वो लोग आगे बढ़े और उनकी हेल्प करें. Okay. So he made many friends during those days. और इस तरह से उसके बहुत सारे दोस्त थे. A month later, इस तरह से 1 month passed. The author was at his house. It was being rebuilt again. वापस बनाया गया. His two friends from the school visited him. His two friends had come to visit him. The fire was responsible to open up all the wonderful people around him. The fire took place on that day for 1 month. That made that boy many friends. He has made many friends, unknown friends. जो इंसिडेंट उनके साथ हुआ था उससे कई लोग उनके वेल विशर्स हो, जो आगे बढ़कर उनकी मदद करते. He realized that his life was getting the same again. He realized that again we will recover. Again we will get all those things whatever we wanted. Again. Okay. Again the condition will go on a smooth track. Soon a woman came to him. वुमेन आई उनके पास. She had a cat with her. She had a cat with her. She asked the author if the cat was his. She asked the author, "Is this your cat?" The author got the cat from her at once. The cat purred happily. तुरंत जैसे उसने cat को लिया, reaction of the cat become very happily. The author's friend was hugging him. Okay. As for the cat, it had run away from the fire. That woman caught it. जैसे ही fire हुआ था, वो cat बाहर निकल गई थी. And at that time, that woman saved it. Woman ने बचाया उसको. She telephoned the author's telephone number was written on its collar. Telephone number कोई वर्क नहीं किया because everything was damaged. The author sat with his friends. The cat curled up in his lap. Now it's a moment. Okay, it's a moment to come when they spent, because only one grief was there in his heart that he had not that cat. But now that problem was also solved. उसे एक ही चीज का अफसोस था कि उसके पास वो कैट नहीं थे, लेकिन जब वो कैट भी उसके पास होगी तो you just imagine कि कितना खुश वो होगा. The feeling of loss and sad now vanished. The feeling the loss, sadness, disappointment, now it is all disappeared. He felt gratitude for his life and his new friends. He felt very proud that now he had made many new friends. बहुत सारे friends को बनाए. He also felt that kindness of the stranger and purr of his cat. Now he understands the kindness of the strangers, how the strange people came forward to help those people. They are unknown ones, whom they never met before, but they help you. They raise their hands, they stretch out their hands to help these poor people. Author की और उसकी मदर की उन्होंने हेल्प करी वो अननोन लोगों ने जो कभी उनसे मिले नहीं थे. So in this way we can say that how the strange, we should be kind to the strangers also. Gives a message to us that we should be kind to strangers. हमें strangers के प्रति भी kindness. If we feel like that, at the same time, they also feel at the same time. They will also get the reward that they will also be kind to us if we are there. अगर हम उनके प्रति kindness का व्यवहार करेंगे, तो obviously वो भी हमारे साथ kindness का व्यवहार करेंगे. So I hope the summary of the chapter, a house is not a home, must be clear to you, isn't it?